Today, I'm going to talk about the first conditional. We use the first conditional when we want to speak about real and possible situations in the future. That means if something happens, then another thing will follow. The structure is simple. If plus present simple tense, will plus base form a verb. For example, if it rains tomorrow, we will stay at home. If you study hard, you will pass the exam. If I meet my friend, I will invite him to the party. As you can see, the condition comes in the first part with if, and the result comes in the second part with will. Now let's talk about punctuation. When the condition comes first, we must use a comma between the two parts. For example, if it rains tomorrow, we will stay at home. But when the result comes first, we do not use a comma. For example, we will stay at home if it rains tomorrow. So remember, the first conditional is about real future possibilities. It helps us talk about what is likely to happen if a certain condition is true. Finally, if you follow us, you will learn more things. Please subscribe to our channel, and like, and comment your idea. Thank you.